Guys, you hear noises? And made a video finally in a long time. Can you hear those noises? It's not. It's not bright.
It's probably just because why are you not fighting?
There's people. My screen, like. Oh, that's kind of fixed. Wait. The lenses. Oh, they're kind of better. Yeah, they're better. Yay. I just keep on. Yeah. First video in a long time. Ugh. What?
Let's get up there.
Guys, that's what killed us! How do we want to be filmed? Joy the sunlight! Whoa, whoa!
Let me do that.
No! It's my YouTube channel. Not allowed in it. Get away! I'll go! Go! Let go! Let go! I'm trying! Let go! Where's my lenses?
Why is it so big?
Because.
Get away.
I bought outdoor. That does nothing. Wait. Hope that does something to you guys. Hope that bright everything for you. Yeah. I'm gonna ow! That's on a rock. Just in case you knew what I was gonna say, I'm gonna investigate, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna go inside. Go. Long video for you. This is a new video in a long time. He starts seeing bright, so I'm gonna turn on bright out there now. Why is it so dark in here?
Wow, chocolate covered carrot. Still disgusting.
I'm gonna go wait.
I say because those silly little carrots have absolutely no effect on me. Unlike you.
Okay, let me show you.
Eat your veggies, or they just might eat you.
One. Hello. Oh, there it's dark. It's dark. Oh yeah. I just fixed everything. Okay, let's just close this door. Hunter slept there. Colton slept there. I slept there. Hunter's on the bed playing Roblox. thing. Please don't end the video. I'm gonna end the video and pizzazz.
I make a video.
A new sweater I got. Wait, let me show you. Wait,
London.
looks nice.
London.
But
Can you walk me?
hold this.
I
Why? It's getting late. Hey. It's gray. He's good. Hey, don't take my... That's my sweater.
Stop, London.
Here's my sweater.
Go.
Huh? Nah. Probably a word for us.
That's your mouth, Bob. I was confused. Surprise, Bob!
Okay, I'm gonna end the video. First is coming. First. Gonna end the video, guys. So, bye.